Hey guys, Mrs.Roopa here. Today we are going to talk about how to tell time to the hour. But first, I'd like to go over a little review of the parts of the clock, which was our lesson yesterday, okay? So we have our arrows. This is an analog clock, and on the analog clock we have our arrows. The shorthand means the hour, so this tells us what hour it is. And this hand tells us what the minute is, okay? So you might see it, like I said yesterday, in between these numbers, okay? When you want to tell time to the hour, what that means is that the minute hand is going to be pointing straight up to the 12. When the minute hand is pointing straight up to the 12, that's when you say, o'clock, okay? So let's take a look. My shorthand right here, my hour hand, is pointing to the 9, and my minute hand is pointing to the 12. So that's when I would say 9, because my hour is first, 9 o'clock. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say my hour hand is pointing to the 4. Okay, my hour hand goes first, so I would say 4 o'clock. Okay, let's try another one. My hour hand is pointing to the 2. My minute hand is pointing to the 12. So what would it be? It would be 2 o'clock. Okay? So now, how about I put our hands at different times, and you tell me what time is showing on our clock. All of these are going to be o'clocks. That's just a little hint. Okay? So let's see. Here's what our first one is. Can you guys tell me what time it is? If you said 5 o'clock, you are absolutely right. Let's do another one. How about this one? If you said 7 o'clock, you're absolutely right. Because the 7, the hour hand is pointing to the 7. And we still are at the 12, so it's o'clock. Let's do one more. If you said 11 o'clock, you're absolutely right, because our hour hand is pointing to the 11 and our minute hand is pointing to the 12, which means o'clock. So now you know how to tell time to the hour, okay? So tomorrow we are going to learn about telling time to the half hour, okay? And that's where I'll give you a little sneak peek. Our minute hand is going to be pointing to the 6, and we'll learn about why, okay? So I will see you guys tomorrow.